Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Network Connections panel because that's the central place Windows lists interfaces. Press Windows key plus R, type NCPA, CPL, and hit Enter. Once the window appears, scan for the adapter showing activity, typically local area connection for wired, wireless network connection for Wi-Fi. Right-click that adapter, choose Status, and click Details to see a compact list. This step narrows down where the physical address lives, so you don't mistake other entries for the MAC. Once you're in Connection Details, locate the line labeled Physical Address. That's the MAC, 12 hexadecimal digits, usually separated by dashes. If you prefer Command Line, open Command Prompt and run ipconfig/all. It lists every adapter and its physical address, which helps when multiple adapters appear. Make sure to match the adapter name from the previous step to the MAC entry here. Because Windows shows virtual adapters and Bluetooth too, you want the one tied to your active network. Record the MAC exactly as shown, because some systems require dashes and others accept colons. Copying mistakes cause access failures. If the physical address field is blank, make sure the adapter driver is installed and enabled. Open Device Manager, update or reinstall drivers, and check power management options. If you're identifying a remote machine on your LAN, run ARP after pinging the IP to map addresses. This gets the MAC when direct access is impractical. It's a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.